defense, most especially in blocking, nadidistract din daw sila sa crowd. Kaya sabi ni Coach, kung yun lang naman ang dahilan, isipin ninyo na para sa atin ang mga hiyaw. Back to you guys.
I-re-channel mo nga naman. Paske yung palakpak, nandun sa puti. Isipin mo para sa'yo.
Para naman yun.
Salamat po.
Isa lang masasabi ko, ang galing ng memory ni Trisha. Na-memorize niya kung ano yung tawag doon sa condition ni Ella Diaz. Mahaba yun
Mahaba yun. Basta alam ko, na-irritate yung mata ni Ella.
Yun din yung nakuha ko.
I hope that Ella recovers soon para makabalik na siya sa live action. This Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Alyssa Valdez, once again, picture perfect. Pang-poster eh.
Yung form.
Ganda panuorin. Pero more than that, ang galing maglaro. Oops! Can't happen.
Yep.
Communication is always essential. Pwedeng mag-usap, bawal magkahiyaan. Masakit siya kung tinamaan ka, diba?
Tama. Oo, tsaka ano yan, mahirap na because of injury pa sila tumalon.
Oo. Si Miss Kat Tolentino nga, hindi nakapaglaro, diba? Para sa
yun naman, no? Still,
kapatid niya ni Vince Tolentino na naglalaro para sa Ateneo Blue Eagles.
Warm up pa lang, no? Got that ACL injury.
Pero ito, hindi nagwa-warm up ang San Sebastian after our first technical timeout, and now they're 3 points behind. Timeout for Coach Clint.
Nagsasalita ka ba? Matatalon na kayo dyan. Nakadikit na tayo eh. Puro error na naman eh. Iwasan nyo nga yung kakatouch net. Stress mo lang. Huwag mong idudulo. Masyadong malalaki eh. Ayan. Arali mo maigi yung blocker mo. Nakita mong dalawa na dito, pwede ka mag-drop ball sa likod.
When things are not going right, when everything seems to go wrong, you always listen to the voice of your coach or your coaches just to stabilize yung takbo ng barko. Dahil minsan sa sobrang pag-alok, mahihilo ka na eh.
Oo, tsaka minsan ang hirap din nun. That's why some players get pulled out of the court para makita nila kung anong nangyayari sa loob.
At minsan hindi mo na makita pag nandun ka. Take a look at the game from a different perspective. Ultra Fast LTE for happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet course low as 999. Even after the timeout was called, puntos pa rin para dito sa Ateneo. At sabi na ni Coach Clint Malazzo, ang lalaki. Baka pwedeng i-drop dun sa bandang liko dahil hindi nila mabutasan yung mga blockers ng Lady Eagles. Almost an ace for Ateneo. Alyssa Valdez. Good read by Alyssa.
And now even the simplest errors, ano? Nakukommit nito.
Yung routine return na tinatawag, di ba?
San Sebastian.
Lapsing into unforced errors and parang shooting themselves in the foot right now. They lost their first game of this collegiate conference to the Benil Blazers. Looking to rebound after that sorry loss. But they're up against Alyssa Valdez. And of course, Joanna Maraginot and the rest of the Lady Eagles. But Labiano nails one versus Risa Sato. 9 for San Sebastian, 13 para dito sa Ateneo Villegas. Nasa harap na, kasama si Labiano. Buti nakatawid yun.
Malapit sa tape ng net.
And that pushes the Lady Stags closer to the Lady Eagles. And probably this is the best set for the Lady Stags all match long.
Let's see, si Labiano already showing some signs of life dito sa set na ito.
But once again, at brief sign of momentum dissipating because of that service error, the official ball of the Shakey's B-League is Mikasa. Alyssa Valdez, sharp serve. Villegas unmarked. Villegas does not score.
Blocker there, sayang.
Bukas na bukas. Tama yung binanggit mo kanina. Merong intimidation factor eh.
Iba talaga eh. But if you know you're playing...
I'm sure this is not the way the Lady Stags practice and play. Alam yan ni Coach Clint Malazzo. Kaya kunot na yun ni Coach Clint eh. Tinan mo. Oh,
Hindi na.
di ba? Ano yan eh? Chillax lang yan eh.
Oo.
Di ba? Steady lang.
Hindi na siya masaya sa kanyang nakikita.
Giselle Tan with the cross-court setup for Joanna Maraginot. Lynn counters for the Lady Stags. Maraginot once again. Subalit hindi papasok para kay Maraginot. San Sebastian threatening here in the third. Refusing to quit, refusing to be swept ng hagupit ng Lady Eagles. Tan. To Risa Sato. Tan. Going to Eliza at the back.
Si Eliza, pinupwesto-pwesto lang, no? But,
Placing lang sa kanya eh.
placing na lang. Pero, lumabas yung isa na yon.
13 for Baste. 15 for Ateneo. And the heart and soul of this team is Dolina Labiano. There's no doubt about it. 9 points in their first game. Valdez. Going to Maraginot. Maraginot fails to convert. Pero ang masakit para sa Ateneo, puro attack errors ang nangyayari.
Yes. Oo, na-reverse talagang lahat ng pamigay, ano? Their strength is now becoming a weakness here to the third.
As Coach Ty Bundit calls ceasefire.
Save ko la, ha?
Let's go. On fire. Hey, girls.
Not high. Hard. Happy. 1, 2, 3. Giselle.
This is our ultra fan family of the game. Mengis family, Eddie, Elaine, Christian, Adrian, and Angel Kyle Denise. Thank you for trooping over dito sa ating Phil Oil Flying V Arena. At maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay sa ating collegiate conference ng inyong paboritong Shakey's V-League. This is the first game of our triple header on a very hot Sunday afternoon. And after the timeout was called by Coach Ty Bundit, Ateneo reaches 16 points for our second tactical timeout. Lamang Ateneo ng 2 puntos. Welcome back to live action between Ateneo and San Sebastian. Abangan bukas, 1 p.m. CSB versus TIP dito pa rin sa GMA News TV. Only 2-point lead for the Lady Eagles. Side spin ni Risa Sato on her serve. Villegas against Maraginot. Maraginot prevails. Perfect timing for Joanna Maraginot.
Good read on Villegas. Itong set na to, Coach Ronnie, sinabi mo kanina, better performance ang San Sebastian. And I'm looking at some of the stats right now, 7 attack points ang parehong koponan.
Wow.
So talagang nag-improve
Best
nga
na yun
talaga.
for Baste, di ba?
Yes, that's right.
Giselle Tan, keeping that ball alive. Free ball. Coming from Eliza. Lim. Narong foot doon. Tan. Once again, that's money para dito kay Amy Ahumiro.
Tapik-tapik lang. Hahanap ng butas sa kabilang court.
Tapik-tapik pero malutong din eh. Timeout for Coach Clint Malazzo. They're behind by 4 at 18-14.
Tapat ang kanong lang, bago na palo. Bago pa lang niya itaas yung block niya, panuin mo na. Yun ang pinaka-advantage natin ba, single block eh. Kailangan natin makuha yan, yung ano niya. Kaysa magsugal tayo ng 2 blocker dito. Jay, malaki yung nasa gitna, huwag mong ano yun. Yan. Tumulong ka sa quick.
Sabi ni Coach Clint, malaki yung nasa gitna pero gitna, gilid, likuran, tingin ko malaki eh. Kasi si Giselle Tan lang yung nag-save ng bola kanina for Ateneo and that led to this point coming from Ahumiro as Eliza Valdez applauds the effort of this vastly improved and extremely confident na si Amy Ahumiro. Risa Sato going to Labiano. Lim this time much more ready. Oops. Halos magbanggaan si Eliza at Gakiliana. 15 points for San Sebastian as Guillermo prepares to serve.
Ang importante ngayon sa San Sebastian, talaga sabayan lang ang opensa nitong, dikitan lang ang opensa nitong Ateneo because it's working for them here in the third set.
Guillermo attacking Eliza. But Maraguinot once again, not only has top scored for the Lady Eagles all game long, pero pag kinakailangan ng puntos, si Giselle, si Jane Maraguinot, or si Joanna Maraguinot ang pinupuntahan. This Ultra Fast Bike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. The sprightly Giselle Tan. Encarnacion, difficult angle. Tumama sa antena yung palo doon. Itong si Encarnacion. Ateneo 19, San Sebastian 16. The official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League is Axel.
Good first ball. Itong si Maraguinot, mapa sa left side, sa right side, kaya.
Kadalasan, merong paboritong spot no? Yung mga players. Depende sa take-off leg mo. Pero siya, yung lipad niya, kaliwat kanan. At si Maraguinot is right now on deck to serve for Ateneo. Commits that service error. Lady Stag still in the hunt. Lim for San Sebastian will be preparing to serve for Baste. San Sebastian is 2 sets behind. La Victoria, rare reception, miscue coming from La Victoria.
She's done an excellent job throughout, especially dun sa service reception.
18 for the red and gold. 20 for the blue and white, or the white and blue. Oops, service ace coming from Lim. Coach Tai Bundit unhappy. Ateneo looking to close out. San Sebastian looking to stay alive. If it's Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Yan yung mga makalaglag balikat. Tangkang makatabla, Ateneo with a 2-point cushion after that last service error nitong si Lim. Amy Ahumiro was also scored well for Ateneo. Now on deck to serve. Guillerma. Oops, not over.
4 touches na.
Hindi pumasok para kay Encarnacion. Nasa ilalim